Hey guys, welcome to GTL Power Live Show. Today, I am Mr. Chen will introduce how to do daily maintenance for our diesel generators. Firstly, we should check the condition of the electric cord and make sure it is have a good connection with the battery. Check the engine bed tension and check pipe of each part is in a good condition. Make sure appearance of all parts is good. We can use the oil level gauge to check the oil level. If the gauge shows the oil level between high and low, it is normal. But if the level is below is low, please enter the engine oil. And every 250 hours, we need to change the right oil. Next day, we should check the coolant water level. Be sure to store the diesel generator in the wrong time to cool. Then, loosen the radiator cap 1 notch. After the cooler water is sufficiently cooled and the inner pressure is released, check the coolant water. If we find the water lower than the limit, we can open the top cap and replenish the coolant water through here. And every 1000 hours or every year, we need to replace the right coolant water. And we should check the fuel level gauge before operating. Replenish enough fuel to prevent fuel storage during operating. If the level is low, this is fuel water separator, and they are fuel filter. Every 50 hours, we need to drive water by turning the driving valve. Besides, we can remove air from the pipe by pressing the hand pump. For fuel water separator, fuel filter, and oil filter, normally every 250 hours we need to replace them. However, the fuel water separator should be based on the quality of the fuel. It decides the exact replacement time. In a dusty environment, we should check and clean the air filter every 2 or 3 days. We can use an air gun from the inside of the filter element to the outside of the dust. And every 1000 hours or every years, we need to replace the air filters so that we can promise the diesel generator with a high performance. Thanks Mr. Chen for the introduction. If you want to know more information, please visit our web www.congtl.com. Bye.